Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm gonna make a gray painting, a gray abstract painting on 12 by 12 inches canvas. So this canvas board is brand new. This is new and just opened it and I started to select some colors. And if you are an abstract artist or abstract art lover, in the gray or black and white paintings, there must be some colored, a little few amount of colors there. So that's why I'm using some colors like complementary color schemes. If you don't know the color schemes, you can join my painting classes. And if you want to learn free, so subscribe my channel and watch continuously my all the paintings, and also and must the real time painting videos that is linked in the previous short videos. So in this painting I'm going to make a gray color, and after that I will mix with the white. So complementary colors mix and they create a beautiful gray tone. My dear abstract art lovers, now I am doing this second layer of the colors, and this is gold that I am using with the painting knife. And this abstract will include a different kind of contrast, just opposite. In the previous paintings you see, or if you have not watched, please watch it in my other painting videos. There was different contrast, just opposite way. Means the texture was coming out from the darkest layer, the uppermost layer. But in this painting, uppermost layer is light and glowing. But while I scratch to make the textures, there will be some gray tones will be appear under this golden color. And this is my request to you all. If you not liked it, please this is right time to give me the response, good response for me, so that I can be inspired and motivated to do the work and to grow the work. So please like and subscribe my channel, and you can comment your lovable colors and the selective colors that you want to be abstract in the my next videos. You can suggest also. So please keep continuing to respond me. this grayish and golden abstract painting is ready. And if you love this art, please like and subscribe this channel. And one more thing, that is the biggest offer for all my viewers. If you purchase my painting, after watching these videos, you can send me the screenshot, and you can send me the your watching history, and after that I will give you exactly 25% off for you, exactly 25% off for you. So if you want to buy such paintings, to purchase more any art that is available on my YouTube channel, I will offer you at least 25% off. So keep watching me, and if you are interested to buy such paintings, contact me on my Instagram page, or you can email me. Finally, this is also done and finished now, available to purchase. Keep subscribe and keep watching me. Thank you. Bye.